In this video, I will show you how to share files from Google Drive. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we have to do is go to Drive. What you can do is simply go to Google, then click on the 9 dots that you see right here on the right, then select Drive. If you're new to Drive, this is where you're going to see your homepage and all the documents that you have inside of Drive. To upload a document, you simply have to click on New, and then you can select File Upload. After you select Upload, go ahead and select the file that you wish to upload, then click Open, and just give it a little bit of time until your file uploads. After you upload your file, you will see it right here at the bottom with this little green mark. What you have to do is simply select it. So let's say I want to share this picture of me graduating with a friend or with a family member. All that I have to do is simply click right here at the top where it says Share, and then right here at the top is where I'm going to add the email address of the person that I want to share this file with. Right here on the right, you can edit the access control of the file. So for example, you can make someone a viewer, meaning that they can only see the file, but they cannot edit it. You can also make them a commenter, which means that they can add comments to the file or the document, but they cannot edit it. Or you can also select editor if you want to give that person full access to the document or picture. If you want the person to receive an email with a little message saying something like, hey, check this picture, you can select the checkbox. If you don't want the person to receive any messages, you can simply mark it off. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and click Send. Now, there's a different way to share files on Google Drive, and is through a link. To do that, you can simply go ahead and click on Share again, and then you're going to click on Copy Link. Now what you can do is simply send the link to the person that you want to share this file with, and that's it. I hope this video helped you.